Welcome to our Müller tutorial. Your problem is that the high pressure pump of your combiloop is no longer conveying any medium. In this tutorial, we show you in a few steps how to check the system and rule out the most common errors. If you have a combiloop CL1 or CL2, and please make sure that if the filter has recently been changed, sufficient medium has been poured into the filter housing. If you have a combiloop CL1, please also check that there is sufficient cooling lubricant in the machine tank. For any non-combiloop CL1 series products, the first thing to do is to check the level. For this, we read the appropriate level on the electronic level sensor and compare it to the required minimum levels for the product, which are displayed in this image. If the values are not achieved, please check the medium feed to the liquid tank, paying particular attention to the suction point in the machine tank, the function of the transfer pump, and the filter unit. If the level is correct and above the minimum values, then the next thing we do is to check the direction of rotation of the motor pump unit. The correct direction of rotation is displayed by the arrow on the fan wheel cover of the motor pump unit. Now, please start the pump by issuing a command to the machine tool. If the pump is rotating in the wrong direction, that is counterclockwise to the arrow, then please call for an electrician. If the pump is rotating in the correct direction, but still not conveying any medium, then the third thing we do is to check the service connections of the high pressure unit. This enables us to rule out the possibility that the malfunction is due, for instance, to a faulty solenoid valve. We start by switching through the individual high pressure service connections with the corresponding machine commands. The control lights show you which valve is switching properly. In normal operation, medium should now arrive in the machine tool as required. No medium is present in one, several, or all service connections. Please make a note of which service connection are receiving medium. Have this record to hand when you call Müller service. Please also have the serial number of your combiloop with you when you make this call. You will find it on the type plate. We hope this tutorial has helped you to limit the errors, and we will be happy to answer any of your questions or concerns at any time.